Hello everybody, my name is Sahara and today I'm going to be doing a curly hair tutorial using only one product that I made myself, and it's a flaxseed gel. If you want curls looking like this, nice and bouncy and cute and whatever, stay tuned for the video. So I'm going to spray my hair. Usually I'll put like a towel or something if I don't want it to like drip all over me, but I don't know, I feel like for the purpose of this video, I will not be doing, maybe I will. Fully aware that I haven't posted in like over a year, and I feel so bad because like I actually love making videos. The priority was focusing on myself and getting my health back together. I felt like I couldn't fully do that with like the camera on me all the time. After I intermitted, I spent 4 months in Asia and I began filming a lot of it, and then quite quickly I realized like, actually no, this is my time. Sometimes like you need time and space to yourself. I'm also drinking a very weak coffee. This is like the flaxseed gel. Super easy to make, like you literally just get, I never measure it, but there are measurements you can do. I kind of just vibes it, like if I want it to be a thicker consistency, then I'll add like less water to flax seeds in the ratio. But if I want it to be more of like a thin gel, then I'll add more water. I don't know, maybe it's like 1 cup of flax seeds, 2 cups of water, but I'm making that up. So you better look that up yourself. But yeah, it's really easy to make. Yeah, I love it so much because I've tried so many different hair products like throughout my life, and a lot of them are just not very good. You know, I feel like they want you to, I don't know. I feel like a lot of hair products like ends up drying out my hair very quickly, and it's almost like a cycle. It's like, oh, I need to use more products, my hair's dry. And certain products are really good, but they are so expensive and unaffordable. So yeah, it would be cool to like, maybe one day actually make a product of my own. If you guys want that, comment down below, because I've like got so much random experience in like making things. Like I used to make my own body butters and stuff, and lots of skincare, because I also have very, very sensitive skin. Like literally like 2 weeks ago I went to Tenerife, and like there was like, it was such like, you know, compared to where like sorry, I feel like in Tenerife obviously the air was like so good and fresh, and it's like an island, you know, so I'm quite surprised that my skin reacted in this way. But it's quite a dry climate. The salty, harsh wind going in my face really dried up my skin, and it gave me this sort of like, I don't know, I had this sort of rash thing going on my face, and like it started with my lips, but then also like on my under my eyebrows. Yeah, it was really weird, but luckily it only happened on like the last day. I was going back to the UK anyways, and you know, within the next few days I just made sure my face was like extra moisturized. Like every 5 seconds I was putting like Burt's Bees on my lips, and then Vaseline, and I made a lip scrub and everything, and oh my god, my hair just, I feel like my hair just sheds so much, you know, and I'm making a right mess out of this. Sometimes when I do this, yeah, I like to wear like less clothes, because obviously if it goes everywhere then it doesn't ruin my outfit. But then when I put my clothes on after and my hair's soaking wet, it's just the worst. I kind of miss, like, I used to do so many hairstyles in school, like every single day, and I remember every Friday I would do like 2 buns. I'm just gonna tie up the back. Yeah, I used to do so many hairstyles for school, and it was so fun, and now I just have my hair out, which I love. I love having my hair out, of course, but I was just like much more creative, I think, with the hairstyles. And the thing is, I used a lot of hair gel as well, which I don't really want to use, and I don't have at the moment, but I intentionally don't have because I don't want to use.
Because I really want my hair to be like healthy and whatever, you know. And the gel is obviously just so bad for hair, so much breakage, so much just crusty. You know what looks crusty? It is not the most appealing, but I swear to God, guys, like this flexi gel, if you have time to make it, please do.
Where have I been? Where have I been? I've been around the world. I ain't never seen a girl like this. I've been feeling camera shy, to be honest. You guys were so supportive and I'm so grateful. But like, I also just, I don't know, like, just so anxious. I set very high standards of myself, almost too high. And I spent the past year sort of like breaking away from that, learning to be true to myself, to not people please as much as I used to. I'm really taking that energy into 2026. I think 2025, I set the foundations of that. I still want to give back to my community and YouTube and filming myself and talking and whatever. I feel like it's definitely a way that I can do that, and I've like gotten so much positive feedback, not only like comments and DMs that I've had on Instagram, but also just like returning to Cambridge and seeing people face to face. Everyone's been so kind and I'm just so grateful, honestly. Like, you know, I was really anxious about coming back like post intermission, you know, because for various reasons, right? Everyone's been so kind, and I was just so shocked to get like all the feedback about the YouTube, especially. It's really inspired me to continue. For Christmas, I treated myself and got a new camera, so we've upgraded in life. I also want to make sure I execute in the right way, and I don't know, maybe I'm just being like a paranoid perfectionist. I'm doing the side parting, by the way, because I just couldn't stand the middle parting. Sorry, my hair is so tangled. I didn't expect, like, it's already taken 16 minutes. What is going on? It's fine. Probably gonna be like 5 minutes when I edit out all my waffles. Or maybe not, maybe I should keep it in. I don't know, it's hard because sometimes I feel like, you know, even with a conversation with people, I feel like I'm talking too much, talking nonsense, but people really appreciate listening to me, and I think that's something that I have to remind myself of and be proud of, you know, because growing up, when I was young, I spent a lot of time sort of yapping at my sister, and I remember her just being like, stop talking, why are you talking so much all the time, you know, and it hurt so much. Anyways, here is the curls. I'm just gonna go in with the top because I definitely feel like it gets very frizzy in like the sort of middle part of my head. Just give the curls a little bit of a crunch.
1 hour later.
And voila, here is the finished look with the fringe, maybe fringing a bit more now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Let me know what else you want to see. I will try and make it happen as soon as possible.